we're on another job. It's a flooring job, and we're gonna install this beautiful floor. It's an engineered floor. Let me put a right angle, which means real oak on the top, about 3 mil, and plywood on the bottom. But it's really good floor. And I always start flooring job with obviously hoovering the floor, clearing up, and then first thing is trimming the architraves, so it looks so the floor can slide underneath, and also the second stage is making sure the threshold between the rooms is also nicely cut to the size. And that's it. That's how we start the job. So it will look like this. Bang! Very neat, very neat. The door is off. It's marked. It's gonna be trimmed by 5 mil. But that's it. Very straightforward. And what will be time consuming is doing each board glue, edge to edge, and using those straps. So this is something that, you know, it's a little bit time consuming, but we'll go through it and we're gonna make a beautiful floor in the bedroom. So check it out.